guys, welcome back to the channel, Real Nice Guyana. So today we are on a special assignment. We had one of our friends ask us for Molly to come over to do a christening. We don't know christening of what. So we are heading over there now and see what this christening is. I think it has to do something with cooking, but we'll see. Let's go. So we're in Scarborough here. We're going down to Ajax and we'll show you a bit on the way and then the christening, of course, right? Yes guys, so we're getting on the 401 here now, going to Ajax for the christening. Getting off the highway. Alright guys, so we're christening this pot here right now, brand new pot. The onion in there. So by the way, this is the Guyana and one christen the pot. Our dear friend RT and Vic over there. Vic is mechanic today. He making vacuum. Alright guys, so we done take off the masala there. We added it up. So we're baking a sponge cake here today guys, so big treat. We're making main course here and we're making dessert too, sponge cake. For Vic is the man like the sponge cake. And the man got a very...
I love the cake from Real Nice Guyana.
Real Nice Guyana, right? Yeah man. You know that one lady commented on the channel and said she's been looking for a recipe for 8 years for her husband. She's not Guyanese, but she's been looking for 8 years and she found it on our channel after 8 years. Getting ready for the cake there. We got some roti going on here too, some mild roti coming up. We done cream the butter and sugar here for the sponge cake. Alright guys, so we're beating up the egg here. Beating the egg. Not beating up, beating the egg. With one of these immersion blenders here. Alright guys, so we're taking a little thing here. What we got here? Well, that'll be us to them. And we got me a little thing here. Cheers, boy. Cake coming up. Alright guys, so look like our duck is done.
You wanna go down a little?
Yeah, a little bit more dry down. And that's ready. Rice is done. Only the roti gotta make. And our cake is ready to go in the oven. So guys, this is available from us for sale as well. Sponge cake, black cake, fruit cake. And we have some dal here too. There you go. Have the duck. We're gonna put some scallions there. And this is down. Looking good, eh? And this is this scallion here come from our tea garden. So guys, you see we're baking in this mini oven here. We are baking in this mini oven. You don't this thing bakes very well. I'll put a link below the video where you can get us to buy. Na banya hane. The first roti and the tower. You see? When you got dal, rice and duck curry, watch what has happened. What should this man do here? This man didn't drink nothing yet. What about if you drink? Tarwai moves, yes, yes.
Guyanese thing. This one has a very cool set. Hold it.
Dal and roti and duck curry, boy. And sponge cake. Wow. This is a celebration. Alright guys, so it's time for review from our host.
Real nice.
Real
Like a real nice Guyana.
Done now. There you go. Number one review. We waited for the other review. And of the karahi. Oh, he knocking somebody cut her. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, man.
The wait didn't go in vain.
Take it back right back to New Road. You small days,
The
right?
road for the hoop. Right by Regal.
Yeah. Look at that roti. Roti and the duck. Alright guys, dessert is ready here. You can see our sponge cake is done now. So we're gonna go cut one of this and share it out. Non-priority. You know, eat cake. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah man, this is the
Nice.
man. This man likes sponge cake bad.
bad boy.
He said he can buy without the sponge cake, so I come before he.
Buy out. Right? Nobody not touch it. Alright. Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, yes.
Real nice guy in the house. Here. Play the music.
Yeah, a glass of milk.
You see the man's happy dance without music now. Look at how fluffy and soft that is. Look at the goodness there, guys. What?
Good, good.
Yeah, man, look at that. Real nice sponge cake. Yeah, look at that, guys. Real nice sponge cake. Spongy sponge cake. So this is available, right? You guys can order this from us.
Yummy, man.
Yeah. Real nice.
Along the cooker right here.
Oh, yeah. Big up.
See?
Big up to the cook.
Mm. Alright. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for spending time with us. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.